this video. Oh, we're doing an Avalanche Escape set, and it's going to be different today. Like that Thomas not run, it's the bridge. And my Bubble Thomas, that's going to be in the next video in the mornings, and this is a dark video. And this Thomas, his covers doesn't move, and let's just look at the bottom first. The bottom looks very cool, but on the face it looks cool too. And let's look at the side. And this, and another part of that, and I'm going to whistle real quick to get it started. Now this is the way it looks like this. First you drop the ball down, and then the Tom starts to puff along through the tunnel, and then he doesn't just go through that, he doesn't just fit through there. And one more thing before he does this trick, all my engines had a trick. They just leap.
They leap?
Mm-hmm. Off the track and on the tracks. Here it goes. And there he goes. But the bridge is scary. It's starting to fall. Boom! And one more thing, all of my videos with train will be leaping instead of staying on the ground the whole time. Like if there's a bump, they just go bump.
Cool.
By leaping.
What's on your face?
Chocolate.
From what?
Brownies.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you for this video. This is always in your heart.